Maybe you're like me. For years, I held on to resentments and regrets, and I felt like it was my job to do that. I felt like it was not right for me or smart for me to let it go. I used to make vows that I would never forget, that I would always remember what happened, what they did to me. And I didn't understand what it was costing me. I had no idea what it was costing me in terms of my creativity, in terms of my health, in terms of my wealth, in terms of my happiness and joy, in terms of everything in my life. So much energy was going on to holding those things from the past. And I discovered I could let myself be free of that. And I would be much happier without that from the past. And so I made a vow to let it go. And I found a way to do that. And that's what I love to share in my forgiveness workshops, which are totally free, because I'm so happy that I found a way to be free. I have to tell everybody who is interested in being free too. So if that's you, if you are willing to spend 2 hours with me in a workshop, we're going to get some real healing done. So come along. It's free. Invite your friends. Let's do this work together. Let's remember to laugh and be joyful about it. We can have real healing. And that's what I'd like for you and for the rest of us. Come and join me.